Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut two-piece suit sleeve. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do that. And the measurements which we need to start this, we need the chest measurement. We need the chest measurement. We need the sleeve length measurement, and I will be needing my round sleeve. The round sleeve measurement. These are the three measurements I need for this cutting. So the chest is 44 inches, while the sleeve length is 26 inches. The round sleeve is 15 inches. So having known this, I will commence immediately with the drafting. So the first thing I have to do is to remove 1 inch. Remove 1 inch at the top of my fabric. I mark out 1 inch. I will join the points together. I've joined the point together. This is the first thing I have to do. The first thing I have to do. So I have to also mark out 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on each of the side. So I will also connect it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to mark out the length. Remember I said the length is 26 inches. I will place my tape here and I will measure 26, and this is 26 inches. Then I will add 3 inches, the folding allowance, 3 inches, the folding allowance. I push my tape, also mark 26, add 3 inches for the folding allowance. So I will connect the 2 points, connect this point and also connect here. So the next thing I have to do now is to get the bicep. The bicep is the arm area. So how do I get the bicep? The bicep is the chest. The chest divided by 4 minus 1. And the chest which we are using here is going to be, the chest is 44 inches. 44 divided by 4 will give us 11 inches, minus 1 will give us 10 inches. Then I will mark my 10 inches. I mark my 10 inches. I will connect it. So then what the next thing I'm going to do is to divide this, the 10 by 2. I will get 5. Then divide by 2, I get 5. I will join it and connect this. The line I'm going to I draw here did not get done. It stopped at halfway. So I will now measure for the suit cap, the cap of the sleeve cap. So the formula for that is the formula for biceps plus 1/2, which is plus 0.25. So 10 plus 0.25 will give us 10.25. So I'm going to place my tape this way, 10.25. I will give a dot here. Then I'll measure from here. This is 7.5. I will also mark 7.5 here. I will connect it. So this 7.5, I'm going to, pardon me, it seems as if here is a kind of smaller and here is bigger. Okay, yes, this area is bigger. This area is bigger, so I have to redraw to connect it back to make sure that whatever I'm doing is straight. So this is it. So this is 7.5, that's 7.5. I'm going to divide the 7.5 by 3. 7.5 divided by 3. So it is going to give us 2.5. 2.5. That's what it's going to give us. 2.5. So I will mark my 2.5. I mark my 2.5 here and also mark 2.5 here. Then I will connect this. I connect the 2.5. So having done that, I will further divide this, the 5 inches by 2 on this area, which will give me the 5 inches divided by 2 will give me 2.5. It will give me 2.5. Then I will mark out 1 inch here. I have 1 inch and also 1 inch here. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I will divide here. I measure this from here to here is 18 inches. I will divide it by 2, which will give me 9 inches. It will give me 9 inches. So I will connect the 9 inches. I projected 1 inch here. That 1 inch should be my seam allowance. So that's what I projected out here, 1 inch, which will be the seam allowance. So what I will do is that I will send 3/4, which is 0.75 inside, 0.75 inside. The next thing I'm going to do now, I will also project 0.75 here. I will connect this. And also connect this. So this is what we have here. This sleeve cap. These are sleeve cap. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I will measure I'm going to measure out the curve, the wrist area. The wrist is 5 inches. I'm going to measure it out 5 inches. This is the wrist area. And we bring out 3 inches. So this is, I will send 1 inch inside. Then I'm going to connect this. So the slit at the side will be 4 inches. This is 1.75 and also mark 1.75 here. Then I connect it. So I have just marked out the front of the sleeve. This is the front, the outer sleeve. This is the outer sleeve. So after now, I will cut it out, and with this outer sleeve, I will now mark the under sleeve. There are two methods of doing this. The first one is that you can equally project out 3 inches, but I'm not going to be using that method now for this. I will use the method which I will be calculating the round sleeve to get the under sleeve. I will use the round sleeve to get the under sleeve with the method I'm applying right now. So I will cut this out first. I'm going to cut it out first. So this is the outer sleeve. I will give a mark of chalk. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I will place it this way, and I will trace the side of the under sleeve. I'll trace it by cutting it out. That's the first thing I'm going to do right now. So I give a mark of chalk here. The next thing I will do is that I will fold this. Remember, my round sleeve is 15 inches. After folding it, I folded about 1.5 inside. So 15 inches. 15 divided by 2 is going to give us 7.5. 7.5. That's 7.5. So that's 15 divided by 2. So I fold it again inside. What I want to determine now is my round sleeve. You can see I folded about 2 inches inside. These 2 inches. Then this is 7.5. So I have about 0.5 inches for seam allowance. Then, having folded this way, I will turn it. My hand is here. I also gave another 0.5 inch between the folding for the seam allowance. I place my hand here, and I will give a mark of chalk. I give a mark of chalk there. I will come down. I will make this side 14 inches. I will also give a mark of chalk, which will be my seam allowance. I give a mark. Remember that here is 10 inches. Yeah, it's 10 inches. That 10 inches divide by 2 will give us 5. This same allowance. I will give my same allowance over here, and I will also mark. Now I want you to see the 3 points which I marked my chalk. So the next thing I will do, I will take this edge, the edge of the outer sleeve, then I will place it. Then I will give mark of chalk to trace it out. So this is what I have here. I will now use my French curve. So this is the under sleeve. I will now cut it out. So this is all about our 2-piece sleeve. Please, I will leave below the description how to draft out blazer suits. Also, I will leave on the description how to draft out safari suit with shirt collar, and other links I will also put on the description below, other links of the videos that will be relevant to you. Thank you very much. God bless you, and see you on my next video.